Welcome, fellow breathers. If you want to stop brain fog or feel more energized and focused, this session will help you achieve exactly that. In the next couple of minutes, we're going to energize the body and the mind with some Kapalbhati, Pranayama, and then we'll bring the mind in a state of deep focus with some ocean breathing. Now, let's sit up straight with a straightened spine, shoulders relaxed, and start connecting with your breath by breathing slow and gentle in and out through the nose. We will start with a few rounds of Kapalbhati, where we'll exhale through the nose in short, sharp bursts by pulling in the navel towards the spine and let each inhale happen naturally between the exhales. And on every last breath, we're going to take a deep breath in and release with a sigh. Now take one last deep breath and prepare yourself for the first round. 30 breaths. First round. Here we go. Keep going. Last 10 breaths, and on the last breath, take a deep breath in. Inhale. And let go with a sigh. Now let the breath flow back to its natural rhythm and let the technique settle for a moment. Now take a deep breath in and prepare yourself for the second round. 30 breaths. Here we go. Forceful breathing in and out through the nose. Last 10 breaths, and on the last breath, take a deep breath in. Inhale. And let go with a sigh. Let go of control of the breath. Feel how we are opening up the energy system. Now take one last breath and prepare yourself for the third round. 30 breaths. Here we go. Keep pushing. Last 10 breaths, and on the last breath, take a deep breath in. Inhale. And let go with a sigh. Now take a little bit of time to let the breath flow back to its natural rhythm and let go of control of the breath. Feel how everything is settling, how your heart rate and your breath are coming back to a natural rhythm. Just follow the breath for a moment. Now, with your eyes still closed, slightly tighten the back of your throat and you'll hear your breath turn into a soft whisper, like the sound of distant waves. Now slow down the breath as slowly as you comfortably can. Keep centering your awareness on the sound that your throat produces. Keep focusing on your throat. Stay with your breath. Feel how we went from energized to deep focus. Keep breathing like this. Where's your attention? Stay with your breath. Now, let go of the contraction of the throat and let your breath flow back to its natural rhythm. Just follow the breath for a moment. And just notice how we've opened up the energy system with the Kapalbhati, followed by a calming ocean breath with which we centered our focus. And you can either stay seated for a moment or you can move on with your day. Whatever you decide, you can come back to this practice anytime you want. Till next time, breathe well. Namaste.